Hi guys, my name is Bruce, and every now and then I will talk about a little bit of a small issue which irritates me, and hopefully you. Picture this. You've just had lunch, so you're spending some time at a mall while waiting for some friends. Out of nowhere, lunch comes back with a vengeance and you know that you really have to go. Fortunately, you get to the washroom in time without crapping in your pants. Unfortunately, it's taking a little bit more effort to get it out. And then this happens. Yep, I'm talking about auto flush sensors. They tell you when you're done, when you're not done. And it doesn't stop there. Just when you think it's over and reach for the toilet roll, okay, maybe it's just me being short or whatsoever, but it always affects me, especially when I bend over just to exert a little bit, but it flushes. And it's especially irritating if it starts splashing and then you get a little bit of the stuff on your ass. I don't know, maybe a possible workabout would be to have instead of the sensor over here, why not put it somewhere over here? I don't think that anyone's thighs is gonna be about this thin, right? And what do you think? I'm gonna leave it at that. If you have anything to say, just leave it in a comment below. If you want to hear more about Picture This, you know what to do.